doing Mustang and Japanese Zero. This was the air show, I guess. Bus station, Milltown Station, New York. Hey man, Milltown, New York, Milltown, Connecticut. That's a big, that's a good Milltown. Chevy Nomad and this Santa Fe articulated is no, it fits into this era. I like the rock cuts, I don't remember that last year. Danford Diner, there's the cars there. Ford, camel truck, 57 Plymouth. We got Studebaker, 50 Studebaker, 55 Chevy, I think. 57 Chevy for sure, Nomad. That's a Pontiac right there. Museum, looks like a diner, some detail. One of those Rams pumper, 70. Original McDonald's. Oh, I wish I run girl like the one E32C or 6. Oh, there's the Interstate ES44. Look at the second or third Heritage one that I've seen in the 6 so far. And the nickel plate unit over there. I haven't seen that one yet. $27.16. The Union Pacific Bay Winter Cooked at the booth. Okay.